in association with Great X Production.
Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is our first tutorial video, and this video is a collab with Shanky GFX. You can also follow him on his Instagram and you can also subscribe to his channel. All links has been provided in the description. And today we are going to create this amazing logo on Android using Peace Touch. So without wasting your precious time, let's get into the video. All you need to do is to first open your Pixlab and write a letter from which you wanted to make a logo. Suppose we are taking U as a logo. And choose such fonts which converts a single letter into a logo. We have already made our logo, so now let's open PS Touch. After opening PS Touch, make a blank project of 1500 width and 1500 height. Then click on Photo Layer and then Photo Library and export your logo. Choose the red light image which we have provided you in description. And duplicate its layer and then click on Flip X. And now your logo is done, and just export it to your mobile. So guys, this was our today's video. If you like this video, just smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos.